Hey everyone, this is Evan speaking from Delta Triggers. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Delta competition trigger system. Much like the defense system, this can be done in two ways. I think what's more popular in South Africa is the guys want to send you their existing parts. You work on them, you refine them, and then you send them back, or you do the custom install for them. But alternatively, we also offer a complete drop-in kit. If you would like to purchase something off the shelf, something that's already pre-made or custom-made for you, everything would be, primarily using Glock OEM parts. We'll build it for you and then send it through to you with instructions on how to set it up. If you're not in the Johannesburg area. So the Delta competition system, much like the defense system, everything is refined and polished, deburred, detooled in all the right places. You've got the set screws so that you can adjust your pre-travel. You've got another set screw in the back so that you can adjust your over-travel, giving you a lightning fast reset. It takes out all the wasted movement. Prevents it from going back when the slide moves back as well. And your striker is refined. Try to get that lug face in focus. This lug face is incredibly important, the interface. And then we've got your safety plunger. So if you send me all your parts, I'll work on this. I'll work on all of this. The only aftermarket parts that we would use in this event would be a reduced power spring, striker spring. Generally, 4.3 pound spring is what I prefer to use, depending on the system that you're running. And a reduced power safety plunger spring. I don't use a overpower return spring. It makes your system very, very sluggish. But that's just how I'll build these things. I'll build this for performance. These are high performance systems. Everything is refined. Everything is meant to work together. We're looking at reset. We're looking at how aggressive it is. How it breaks. Follow-up shot placement, all of these things from a competition perspective that we're looking at. So in this system, we're using a OEM Minus Connector, but super refined. I guarantee you it'll probably be better than any aftermarket stuff that you'll get out there. That's for sure. This system breaks anywhere from 3 to 3.5 pounds, usually. However, in certain instances, we've managed to get that a little bit lower. It just depends on your gun. It depends on, how everything fits. It's all factory stuff. So that's the competition system. When we set the pre-travel, we take it as far back as possible, minimum safe distance, so that we still keep that trigger safety intact. But it also just depends on customers' requirement and how they shoot. Sometimes they actually like a little bit more pre-travel. This system has more of a rolling break. It's not as much as a clearly defined wall as what you would want in your defense system. In a defensive situation, you want to know exactly where that wall is, so that when you pull past it, that's going to go off. In a competition environment, depending on how you shoot, etc., you want more of in most cases, you want a little bit more of a rolling break. It prevents you from jerking, that kind of thing. But check it out on our website, deltatriggers.co.za, based in South Africa, in Johannesburg. Give us a call. Thanks, guys.